viewers, if you are a BSc student and you want to crack the TIFR examination, so TIFR is a very prestigious examination which is going to be conducted by IISc Bangalore, and you can easily crack this examination by clearing your all the basics and of maths. And if you are interested in research, you can also go through this. But after BSc, you want to prepare for it, you can easily prepare in 1 year, within 1 year, so you can easily prepare for this. Yeah, so what is the thing that you should remember for this examination? I will provide you a link in the description box, that previous year paper, question paper, you will go through with these question papers, and then you have an idea what I do about this examination. Okay, so first of all, what you should remember that for this examination, how you can prepare it. Okay, so first of all, read the syllabus. The syllabus in which is whatever the topic they have written over there, just start preparing for this. Okay, this question paper is going to conducted by very prestigious university, so they want that their students would know about the basics of mathematics, and they have an idea to solve, how to solve the problems, how to clear the theorems, how to find out the solutions of the theorems. Okay, so you have to make sure that you have an idea that how to drive any theorems and proofs. Okay, so first of all, you should clear your all basics of mathematics. So first of all, when you go through with your syllabus and you start preparing for your examination, so you have to go through the syllabus of the examination. When you complete your syllabus, then you can read another topic, then you can prepare for another topics, but in deeply. But first of all, you have to go through the syllabus and you just deeply study about the syllabus. Okay, just go through the syllabus and deeply study the syllabus, start deeply studying syllabus, and continually you have to prepare for it, because this exam demands the practice. How much you do practice, you will get this examination. Okay, solved. So for a fall to solve all the problems that is given in the exercises in your book, just try to solve it. And yeah, Galilean book is very important for the linear algebra. You can read this is very high standard book, you can easily follow it. and रियल एनालिसिस के लिए आपको बाटलिन फॉलो कर सकते हैं, या किसी और राइटर की जो वॉल्टर डूडी की है जो बुक्स हैं, बहुत अच्छी बुक्स हैं, they were very good books. You can also follow it. And if you are university student, so they have, professors, they have suggested you some books of real analysis, advanced real analysis, so you can also follow those books. But these books are really good enough to prepare for this examination. Also, you have to prepare this real analysis and linear algebra, stacked algebra. These are the major portion that is coming in this question, so you have to easily you can solve it. Okay, because इस पर आपका अगर फोकस रहेगा तो आप इजीली की क्वेश्चंस को अटेंड कर सकते हो, और आपके करेक्ट क्वेश्चंस भी हो सकते हैं इसमें। तो आपको ऐसे पोर्सन को जो है सेलेक्ट करना। और डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस के बाद आता है, तो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को भी आप अच्छे से तैयार कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि आपने बीएससी सेकेंड ईयर में पढ़ा डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, आपके उसके बाद आप उसको डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस को जो है थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ सकते हैं, तो आप उसको एक अच्छे लेवल पे आप जा सकते हैं, क्योंकि आपने उस पेपर को पढ़ा हुआ है। और रियल एनालिसिस भी आपने थर्ड ईयर में पढ़ा होगा, बीएससी थर्ड ईयर में, तो आप उसको इजीली इस तरीके से तैयार कर सकते हैं। एंड आफ्टर दैट सिलेबस यू हैव टू प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर से गो थ्रू होना है, तो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर आई विल प्रोवाइड यू, सो यू कैन गो थ्रू इट, and then you have to start seriously prepare for it, because TIFR examination is going to be very good examination. You can easily crack it by doing your hard work. Depends on how much you do hard work and in this examination, but you can definitely crack this examination if you are serious content and you are preparing for this examination. So yeah, this examination you can crack it, and we will meet soon in the next video. So till then, bye bye.